What is up, crypto fans? Welcome back, guys, to another valuable cryptocurrency video today. And today we are talking about nothing other than Cardano, and we're going to be giving my price predictions for the future, long, short, and midterm, as well as some technical analysis here, starting with some technical analysis from Bitcoin, because you guys know everything in the cryptocurrency market revolves around Bitcoin. So let's see. Right here we've got a downwards trend from the 5-day mark, coming down here with the resistance line right about here, see here with the yellow line, and then coming up here we have that curve going down here, meeting each other right now here. So we've got the top and the bottom forming almost like a triangle right about here, just above where the price is currently sitting at right now, which is $45,770 right now. So that is pretty good. Not too good overall. If we look at the long term, in the past 10 days we have seen heights bigger than that, but we can go back into the month view and see how it is not looking that good right about now. But I think we can get some short-term potential gains right here with my technical analysis for Bitcoin. However, I will go into what this all means for the Cardano price, because everything is related to Bitcoin. But if we can get an increase in price and Bitcoin, get it back to that $47,000 mark from the $45,000 mark, it would mean great things for the Cardano coin, because the Cardano coin basically follows the Bitcoin price range. So see this blue line here, that's the average price that it's been bouncing at, like up and down, give or take like $1,000 probably for the last 6 days. So that is just giving me a baseline of where I think it could potentially go back up to, just following the history of the last 6 days. And then we've got these three areas of trading that continue following down this downward pattern, and then it continues to plateau out right here. As we can see in the last 2 hours, it has plateaued out here. So this potentially means that it could bounce back up over the next few days, like again up here and again up here, right up to this mark, or potentially up here into this blue area where we have seen the average for the last 3 or 4 days. Anyway, this potential increase in price for Bitcoin means big things for the Cardano coin, which we are going to be now looking at right now with its exchange with the USD. So coming in here into the last 3 days for the Cardano, we can see a clear pattern of resistance right here looking downwards. It doesn't look too good from a first superficial standpoint, but if we can zoom in closer into the recent days, the recent hours actually, we can see a break of resistance, which is very great to see, guys. And this could potentially mean a growth in the next 3 or 4 days. But guys, overall the Cardano has had a downwards trend in these recent days, and that's mainly just because of the fundamental facts and stuff that has been happening in the news. As we can look at the forums, there's nothing here, but I have made other videos about what Cardano has recently been doing, and it is maybe just a little bit slow right now, and there might just be some errors in the new network that it just released. I think it's called the Hoskins network. I can't really remember, but there might be some problems with that. However, looking closer, as I said, we can circle some of these trading areas, common areas of trade right down here. There's one. Bring that circle down there for a little bit more clarity. See right here, and then again right here you've got another big dip. These long red candles, see these long red candles right here, long middles, and then we've got a long wick here. that basically indicates that this trend was going to continue going down from there, and I can probably see a plateau like this right here. If we can just circle that right there, I think we can see that we might be able to see a plateau like this. Let me just make this a little bit bigger for you guys. See how it plateaus here, and there's just like an average price range of around $2.36. Potentially that could happen down here. So it's not looking too great for the overall price increase, but it will not probably decrease much for the recent for the next few days because of this downward trends and this resistance break. Coming further back into the past 10 days, guys, it is not looking good. I will reiterate that once again, but we have seen heights here and we have seen heights here, so let me just highlight that right there for you guys, because this could potentially be important, and we could see a huge break of resistance here once again, because these are moving up and up in a triangle pattern, kind of. If you look at it like that, it kind of is, but we have got some unclarity right here. And yeah, so overall, the Cardano price, if I was you, obviously this is not financial advice, these videos are just for entertainment purposes, I might be investing right here, because this could potentially break up and go back up here, or it could just plateau down here. But I don't think it will go further down, because if we go back to the last month, I don't think it has dipped below. Yeah, so we're still looking at a quite, like, even all the way down here, it's still not, we're still kind of looking high, and we haven't really gone below that way in the last 3 months. And if we look at the SMA technical analysis, it will show something similar to that, yeah, right here. So yeah, see that it's not following that, so it's probably just going to bounce right back up there. So if you guys want a quick gain over the next few hours or the next few days, probably the next few days, yeah, I would potentially buy right here, as we can see a potential plateau right here. Let me just highlight that for you guys. Yeah, so this could be the potential plateau place for where the Cardano price could be hidden. So yeah, guys, that is my overall short-term price prediction for Cardano. I think it's just gonna plateau around the $2 to $2.16 mark, and yeah, for the next day, I guess. But for the long term, I'm going to be talking about some fundamental analysis rather than technical analysis, because technical analysis is one thing for short-term gains, but really if you want long-term gains in crypto space, I would recommend fundamentally analyzing. And Cardano has big things coming out, you know, they've got big things in Africa, they have big projects ahead of them, big endeavors, and they are sitting at number 3 in the world crypto rank right now by market cap. So I don't really see any reason for them to completely just the price for them like to completely go down. Like, there's so many fans and followers, there's no reason that it should just drop astronomically. So even if it drops a little bit further down, even if it drops to this all-time low over these last 4 months right here around $1, I don't think there's anything detrimental. I don't think it's anything that the Cardano price cannot jump back up from in the next few months or year. But my highest price prediction for Cardano could potentially be $15 to $10 in the next year, just because of everything they're doing right now. But for the short term, I'm just saying 2.1 around 2.6, yeah, 2.1 to 2.3 US dollars. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to like, subscribe if you like the video, and if you comment, that would be great too. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.